Good morning students. Today we are going to learn verbs models. Look at these sentences. In these sentences, the parts of the verb printed in yellow color are called models. What are models? We learned in 6th chapter the verbs. There we learned all auxiliary verbs with the exception of be, have, do are called modal auxiliaries. Models help to express the mood or attitude of the speaker. The moods and attitudes expressed in these sentences. Let us see. First one, you should regularly visit your them. Here it is advice. Second one, they must attend tomorrow's meeting. It is necessity. May I use your pen please? Seeking permission. Fourth one, you can park the car in front of the house. Giving permission in a friendly or informal manner. Fifth one, you may take these books home. Giving permission in a formal manner. Sixth one, could you open the door please? This is making a polite request. Modals are always followed by a main verb. They cannot stand on their own unless they are used in a question tag. Look at these sentences. All the verbs in this blue box are modals and these yellow verbs underlined are the main verbs. Modals always followed by a main verb. See this sentence. Here you can lift this box. Here can is the modal and lift is the main verb. Modals cannot stand thereon. However, in question tag, modals can be used alone. See these sentences. You can see that modals do not change form with the person and number of subject. If the subject is you, you must go. If it is they must. If it is she must. There is no change of modals if the number of subject changes. Let us see these modals. Can, may and could. May, can and could are used to suggest permission. Can is informal, may is polite, could is more polite than may. Let us see the exercises 1 from your textbook. Exercise 1, fill in the blanks with can, may or could. First one, dash I come to see you tomorrow, sir. Yes, you may. In bracket it is given polite. May is polite, so you use may there. See the answer. May I come to see you tomorrow, sir. Yes, you may. Now the next question. Dash I leave the school an hour early. Very polite. Very polite means yes, it is could. Here you can see could is more polite than may. So here, could I leave the school an hour early? Now next question. John, you dash stay with us as long as you like. This is informal. And you know that can is informal. So you can use there can. John, you can stay with us as long as you like. Let us see the modals can and could. The idea of ability is expressed by can or could. In this sentence, can means be able to or be capable of. No have to. We can say that ability in the present is expressed by can and ability in the past is expressed by could. Can and could also suggest opportunity. In your textbook, take exercise 2. Replace be able to and be capable of by can or could. First question, James was capable of swimming across the English Channel. Here we can see was capable of happen in the past. So here could James could swimming will not come after the modal first form of the verb only will come, so swim. James could swim across the English Channel. Okay, what is English Channel? English Channel is a part of Atlantic Ocean separating southern England and northern France. Okay, Aarti Saha, you know, Aarti Saha is the first Asian woman who swam across the English Channel. This is not our topic. Now next, a calculator is capable of doing lengthy calculations in seconds. Is capable of. It is in the present form. A calculator can do lengthy calculations in seconds. We have done 2. The rest are homework for you. See these models may, might, could. May suggest a good possibility, might suggest weak possibility, and could suggest a still weaker possibility. Now textbook exercise number 3. Fill in the blanks with may, might or could. You can open your textbook. First one, you dash get a letter from your father today. A good possibility. Good possibility means we will use may. You may get a letter from your father today. Now next question, the keys dash be with the office assistant. A weak possibility. Weak possibility means might. The keys might be with the office assistant. Now third one, the keys dash be with the office assistant. A very weak possibility. That means there is very less possibility. There we will use could. See the answer, the keys could be with the office assistant. Here the models will or shall are used to suggest promise, and would, want, can, could are used to suggest request. There is not much difference in these forms and we can use any of them. Textbook exercise number 4. Change these commands into polite requests using could and would. Look up the meaning of this word in a dictionary. Okay, here we can see that there is no difference in these forms. We can use any of them. Okay, if we use could, then could you look up the meaning of this word in a dictionary? We can use would also. Would you look up the meaning of this word in a dictionary? And the rest are homework for you. Look at these models. Should, ought to, must, have to. Should suggest, advise, and ought to suggest duty, must desire, have to suggest external compulsion. Let us see textbook exercise number 7. Fill in the blanks with must or ought to. First one, animals too have feelings. We dash be kind to. Here it is a desire and at the same time duty also. So we can use both must or ought to. Animals too have feelings. We must or ought to be kind to them. Now the second one, all the children dash bring their water bottles with them. Here it shows a necessity. So must is a desire or a necessity. So here we can use all the children must bring their water bottles with them. 6. Fill in the blanks with must or some suitable form of have to. First one, my father often talks about you. You dash come to meet him someday. Here it is desire, so we can use my father often talks about you. You must come to meet him someday. Now second question, since he is a touring salesman, he dash travels a lot. This is an external compulsion. A salesman has to travel a lot. So here this is present tense also. He is. So has. Since he is a touring salesman, he has to travel a lot. Now next one, some passengers were injured. We dash take them to the hospital. Were injured in the past. So yes, compulsion also is there. Some passengers were injured. We had to take them to the hospital. See these models, must not or need not. Must not suggest prohibition and need not suggest the absence of necessity or compulsion. Now exercise 7 in your textbook. Fill in the blanks with must not or need not. First one, we dash take this road. It is not a thoroughfare. It's a prohibited road. We cannot use that. So here must not. We must not take this road. It is not a thoroughfare. Now next one, you dash take fried foods, for they are bad for the digestive system. Here, yes, there is compulsion, necessity or compulsion. So here we will take need not. You need not take fried foods, for they are bad for the digestive system. So today we have completed verbs, models, and in the next video I'll come up with a new topic. Till then, bye.